So we have a surprise box filled with cake Pop Cuties. They're sweet, squishy, and deliciously cute.
Okay, I'm gonna go take this then. Bye. Go eat it.
Thank you so much to Basic Fun for sending this to us, right, guys?
Thank you.
I bet you can't wait to see what's inside.
I do want to see what's inside. As she opens it.
Ooh, what do we have? Is it like an apron or something?
Yeah. Oh, Lindsey, you can take it.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's so cute.
But,
Oh, I love it.
Let's put this on you. Okay, let's go through the video now. Okay, he just put that
Michael's
on.
gonna be a baker today.
Yeah. We'll make some cupcakes.
I can do this.
Show this, Michael. Now, how many blind bags do we have? Well, blind pops, otherwise called.
Oh, look how cute they
They're
are.
little.
I'm hungry.
I love how they're packaged. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Pick yours.
It's Pringles. I like how mine are all like interesting. Interesting. Okay. Okay, then we have this.
Yes, here it is.
Oh, cool. Squishy foam cuties to collect.
You know what you can do? Look.
Oh, you could stack them?
Look.
Oh wait.
I don't think they could stand though on the table. You probably have to hold them to do that.
We.
Oh.
It was just like.
All right. Oh, that thing was about to go
Oh my
down.
God.
Oh, look, it's gonna go off right now.
We'll start
Okay.
with the blind bags.
I opened this really interesting one. Well, it's really normal, but okay, I got mine. Hopefully.
So that one is Confetti Yeti.
Me.
And he comes with what? A little donut?
You
Oh,
donut.
that's cool.
Yeah.
Now onto mine. We got him, the turtle.
Oh wow, how cute. That's Turtle. Oh.
What?
Turtle.
Oh my gosh, how cute. And what did he come with?
A popsicle.
Oh.
Actually, I could go for one of those right now.
Oh yeah, we
Wow.
could totally have one. I'm just gonna open this. Oh, whoa. Dang. 1 minute. Don't open it. Oh, God. Oh, oh, cool, I got ice cream cone. Oh, cool. I got an ice cream cone. The teeny little ice cream cone.
Oh.
And then yeah.
Oh, look at that one.
Snail-a-rito. I got a snail-a-rito.
Snail.
Oh yeah, he is not a mystery though. I want to get a mystery.
Me.
They are so cute.
Okay. There you go. Let's see what I got. Just gonna. Oh, cool. We got the one I wanted.
Did you?
That's interesting.
Oh.
A chocolate strawberry?
Uh-huh.
There is no chocolate strawberry in here.
It's like a mystery. Huh.
But the creature itself is not.
Which one is that one? Oh, is that Cassie Cone?
Yes.
First of all, it came with another donut.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go sell
No
these.
donuts.
I'm gonna go sell these. I should.
And I got this little puppy that looks like
Oh.
peppermint ice cream or something.
It's Cocoa Pup.
Oh, yep, okay. Little dots on its head.
Very nice.
I have one last one. I really want to get like a mystery one, an unknown.
I know, that would be cool.
Hey, I got one more. Then we also got one in there.
Mhm.
Yeah, I want to open it so bad. Oh. 1 minute later. There you go. Friends of a kind.
All right. Moment of truth. What is it?
It's not a mystery, is it?
No, it's a duplicate of Lindsey's.
Oh, but that is a good one. We love Cocoa Pop. Lindsey's.
Well, he's gonna have to stand by himself.
Now, what food came with him? A donut?
Yes, a donut.
Another donut.
Gonna go sell him.
All right, let's open this other pack.
I know this is not like how you're supposed to open it, but yeah.
This isn't like how you're supposed to open it. Yeah, I think you're right. All right. Now,
Show these.
we got this one.
It's like a little unicorn.
So that one is unicorn.
Cool. Now, what's the next one?
Snow cone yeti.
Oh,
It's a snow cone yeti. It says.
the snow cone yeti.
Oh, I like that one. It's super cute.
Yes, snow cone yeti over here is cool.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, this is a different checklist. Kind of, I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. Does it say what it is?
Nothing there. Nothing there.
Well, this does not say what this thing is.
Ooh, guys, I think we got a mystery one.
Looks interesting, to be honest. Look at it.
Love the colors. Wow.
Who are you?
Very cool.
I'm a mystery. I don't know my own name. What's my
Oh, that's
name?
pretty.
I don't know.
I'm up here. Oh, you'll never see that one again.
So, guys, do you have a favorite cake pop cutie?
Yes.
Yes.
Michael, what about you?
This one. The turtle.
He is a cutie.
I like this one.
Aw, the mystery one.
I don't know why it has like little green hair. It's so cute.
Now, guys, there's also Cake Pop Cuties episodes on YouTube. They have their own YouTube channel.
YouTube! YouTube, okay, I'm breaking.
And
Oh! It was breaking.
And you can find more information about Cake Pop Cuties at cakepopcuties.com. Thanks again to Basic Fun for sending these to us, right, guys?
Thank you. Until next time, guys. Bye.